Good morning, this is Superintendent Glover coming to you from Hillside Public Schools here in Hillside, New Jersey. Today we have the honor of having the owners and founders of Lectec come in and work with our students in their hands-on engineering projects. Our students have designed, built, coded skateboards, and they're outside today testing them out.
I was nervous. I'm not gonna lie. They came. They were like, "Yeah, you're gonna go to the scooter and the skateboard," and I was like, "Huh?" So once again, I got to give credit to you guys with this. It was just very easy, hands-on for kids at this age, and it's really just great.
What makes Lectec approachable for our students is the hands-on nature of the build process and design process.
It's also collaborative, so our kids love working in groups. They love going outside and being physical on the skateboards, trying new things. So this was a great program for our summer.
It definitely made me think differently because I liked science, but this made me more excited about science and different types of science.
Classroom experience can be kind of dull and sometimes a little frustrating for our students, but when they know they get something place to actually apply it, they go and use it in their real world lives and skills. Or on skateboarding, something that's fun, interactive, engaging. Kids do it all the time. They see their scooters, hoverboards out in the streets. This is a chance to actually see how we take our fun activities that we like to do in our daily lives, but from the classroom experience all the way.
You don't need to have a coding background or be an engineering teacher to do it. You just have to have some passion and excitement around the topic, and it could fit into any classroom.
I built the Lectec skateboards, and it felt good to see it come to life.
Come see it in action, the testimonies from the kids, the excitement in the classroom. Everyone's up and moving. You could hear it walking past the classroom that something fun's going on. See them on the track.
Lectec on 3. 1, 2, 3. Lectec!